Is it time to buy or sell Marvell Technology stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Marvell Technology. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of August, 2025, our system has rated Marvell Technology as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.44. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and ascending trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 12.87% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 1.90% and 24.18%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our analysis over a 12-month period predicts a projected change of negative 17.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 57.21% to positive 19.74% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $33.05 and $92.48. Our latest daily update for Marvell Technology includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Marvell Technology Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Marvell Technology stock price gained 3.26% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, rising from $74.79 to $77.23. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 4.02%, with a low of $75.06 and a high of $78.08. Over this period, the price has seen some ups and downs, leading to a 2.29% decline over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 19 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 30 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.32 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $127.48, while the lowest was $47.09. Currently, the price is 39.42%, or $50.25, below the 52-week high of $127.48, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, August 28, 2025, Marvell reported a record second quarter, with revenue of $2.06 billion, which is an increase of 58% compared to the previous year. The company also demonstrated strong non-GAAP margins. However, the stock experienced a decline after the results did not exceed expectations for top-line growth, and management projected third-quarter revenue below analysts' estimates. Factors contributing to a softer near-term outlook included economic uncertainty, tariff pressures, and the recent divestiture of its automotive Ethernet unit. This news dampened the post-close rally that some artificial intelligence-linked companies experienced following NVIDIA's report. On a positive note, Marvell continues to show technology momentum by unveiling a 2-nanometer, 64 gigabits per second bidirectional die-to-die interface. This product advancement enhances bandwidth density and power efficiency for data center and XPU customers. In the short term, the missed expectations and cautious guidance will likely put pressure on the stock, increase volatility, and could lead to a reassessment of growth prospects by investors. In the long term, sustained demand for artificial intelligence, improving margins, and cutting-edge interconnect intellectual property could restore upward momentum, provided that revenue growth remains stable and the negative impacts from the macro environment ease. The execution on product supply and bookings will be crucial in determining whether the recent decline represents a buying opportunity or indicates a prolonged adjustment period. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned MRVL an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, Morgan Stanley rated MRVL as equal weight with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Goldman Sachs provided MRVL with a neutral rating and a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, Needham issued a cautious rating for MRVL, also recommending a downgrade. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Goldman Sachs again rated MRVL as neutral, but this time with an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned Marvell Technology stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Marvell Technology. The Marvell Technology stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be some support from the lines at $73.52 and $75.01. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is rising, along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 5.52%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal observed 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal noted 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal recorded 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal identified 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal detected 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal issued 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal noted 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal recorded 42 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Marvell Technology. Marvell Technology finds support from accumulated volume at $74.95. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a good trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.02 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.02%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.32%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Marvell Technology, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 670 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Marvell Technology. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Marvell Technology is at $79.97. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Marvell Technology encounters its first support level at $74.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Marvell Technology from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 18th of August, 2025, Scarpola Justin conducted an insider buy of 12,662 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of August, 2025, Casper Mark conducted an insider buy of 2,486 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Casper Mark conducted an insider sell of 1,233 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Casper Mark conducted an insider sell of 2,486 shares of restricted stock units. On the 21st of July, 2025, Scarpola Justin conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 48.322. Overall, insiders purchased 401,438 shares and sold 138,589 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $74.06, indicating a decline of 4.11%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 21 days ago. Is Marvell Technology stock a good buy? Marvell Technology has several positive indicators, yet these do not suffice to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate, while monitoring further developments. We have revised our analytical conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell recommendation to a hold. After examining the volatility and trends from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we anticipate Marvell Technology will open lower by 440 cents, beginning trading at $76.79. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.